Introduction. Welcome to AI Mastery, Earn a Fortune in 1 year. In this comprehensive ebook, we will delve into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI, and guide you on how to capitalize on its immense potential to achieve financial success within a year. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding entrepreneur, or an aspiring AI enthusiast, this ebook will equip you with the necessary knowledge and tools to embark on a lucrative AI journey. Chapter 1: Understanding AI Fundamentals. Explaining the basics of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Understanding AI's impact on industries and its potential for generating revenue. Chapter 2: Identifying profitable AI opportunities. Analyzing market trends and identifying lucrative AI niches. Evaluating potential AI-driven business ideas with high growth potential. Chapter 3: Building your AI skill set. Learning programming languages like Python and essential AI frameworks. Gaining proficiency in data science and AI development. Chapter 4: Data acquisition and pre-processing. Collecting and preparing high-quality datasets for AI projects. Exploring various data sources and best practices for data pre-processing. Chapter 5: Choosing the right AI models. Understanding different AI models, their applications, and strengths. Selecting appropriate models for specific projects. Chapter 6: AI development and implementation. Step-by-step guide to develop and deploy AI solutions. Tips for optimizing performance and minimizing errors. Chapter 7: Monetizing AI solutions. Strategies for turning AI projects into profitable ventures. Licensing, subscription models, and other revenue streams. Chapter 8: Marketing and sales strategies. Promoting your AI products/services to the target audience. Creating effective marketing campaigns and sales funnels. Chapter 9: Building partnerships and collaborations. Forming strategic alliances to expand your AI business. Leveraging partnerships for increased reach and profitability. Chapter 10: Scaling your AI venture. Scaling up your AI projects for sustained growth. Managing challenges and maintaining quality as your business expands. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you found these methods are helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.